Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to get right into this video today. It's going to be really quick. I'm going to be showing you guys what I use for a home DIY natural exfoliant that is super cheap. Both of these products are probably under, $5 literally. So, except for the soap. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to get baking soda, just like regular baking soda from the grocery store. And what I do is I have mine in a container like this because I use it in the shower. I store this in my shower because I use it on my whole body. I just mix it with my soap. So if you just get like a little storage container, you can just pour it in there, pour it in the storage container, and it's easy access to get it so that you don't have the baking soda box in the shower and it gets all wet and soggy. So baking soda is one of them that you can use. It's gentle enough that where you can use it every single day, but it's also powerful enough that you can tell that you've actually exfoliated your skin in addition to just, using soap. It makes a total difference when you wash your face with this and your body. You can definitely tell. Now, something else that's a little bit more abrasive, that's stronger, but also cheaper, you can get at the grocery store, is coffee grounds. This also is stored in my shower, so I put it in a little small storage container. This is like a salad dressing container that you can get at like a dollar store, but you just pour the coffee grounds in here. This is like basic Folgers. And this one, the grounds of coffee, of course, is a little bit bigger than baking soda. So this is for when your skin really is feeling super dry. I would not use this every day. This is more like once a week or twice a week, but you can use this on your whole body too. If you want the grounds to be a little bit more fine, you can grind them up, or you can literally just put them like in a Ziploc bag and crush it up with something if you want them to be a little bit smaller. But I just leave it as is, and I use it to scrub my face when I feel like I need to. The soap I'm gonna use to demonstrate is just my regular old Castile soap, and this one is the tea tree one. So what you want to do is, of course, have like clean hands. So I can just use this to wash my hands. So wash your hands. If you're not like in the shower, you're just washing your face. Make sure your hands are clean before you touch your face. Okay, so I'll just show you guys how to use the baking soda one because it's the same as the coffee. Alright, so you put the soap on your hand, of course. A couple drops, that's enough, because this soap goes a long way. The baking soda, depending on, I guess, how much you really want to scrub your face, you don't need that much. Just pour it out. And this, like, you can use this on your body too. So like, I would literally just pour it on my towel with my soap and set it up and just scrub my whole body, because it's, like I said, it's an exfoliant for your whole body if you like. So this is how it's going to look on your hands. You're going to be able to feel it more when you're actually rubbing it in your skin on your face. So you just want to rub it, scrub it in. Make sure you scrub your face for at least a minute. Remember that. That's important, to really wash your face for a minute. The good thing about this is it can't hurt you even if it gets in your mouth, the baking soda itself. So if you're using a natural soap and you're using baking soda, you're fine. If it gets in your lips or anything like that, it doesn't burn. It doesn't sting. But like I said, when you're rinsing it off, you can definitely tell a difference that you actually used it. Use it on your lips too. Okay? Use it on them lips. Get up in them corners, because it's gonna exfoliate your lips too, and you'll feel a difference with that. Alright, so you literally just rub it in, and it's gonna feel like sand or something on your face, of course, because it's gritty, and that's what you want to exfoliate your skin. I will probably suggest you do this at nighttime before you go to bed as part of your nighttime routine. You can do it in the morning, but that would be kind of a lot to be scrubbing your face with this in the morning and at night. So just do it at night and literally rinse it off, and that's it. I know it doesn't look like it's sooty, but it's cleaning it. It's cleaning my skin. The soap dried out from the baking soda being on it, but really, if you really want your skin to be scrub it up dub, you want that tap. So my soap rubbed on the back of my hands. Alright, and you can test it out on your hands to see the difference. Like, put the baking soda in your hands and wash your hands with it versus just washing your hands with soap. And you're going to notice a difference just from doing that, just if you want to test it. I don't think that you need to like do a test patch unless you got super sensitive skin. This shouldn't do nothing to you. My skin rough, so I can do anything in my skin, nothing happens. So you just want to rinse this off, and that's it. So I'm going to rinse it off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just rinsed it out, rinsed it off. You want to take like a clean paper towel, the inside of the paper towel, and dab it dry. Okay, and that's it. And literally your skin is gonna feel like, I don't know, like extra clean and smooth and soft. And so if you do this every day, just imagine on your face, just imagine what it's doing to the skin on your body, because of course your skin sheds daily, but this just helps to get those dead skin cells off to help with the turnover. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And then of course moisturize, tone, moisturize, treat, whatever you got to do. And that is all, people. So try this technique out at home. I'm pretty sure everybody has baking soda in their refrigerator. You know, put it on your hand, just wash your hands with it and see how your hands feel. And then, you know, put it on your face and scrub your face to give yourself an extra little boost of exfoliation throughout the week. And you can build yourself up to using it all the time, or do like me and put it in another container and put it inside your shower, so it's super convenient. And that's it. So let me know what you think in the comment section at the bottom, and subscribe, share, and tell your people, you know, yeah. So that's all for this video today, and see you guys later. Bye.